Hello everyone, today I have here short I, English pronunciation. Short I makes a sound like I. Let's see. Id, kid, kid. I'm not a kid. In, tin, tin. The sugar is in the tin. Ing, sing, sing. I'd like to sing a song to you. Are you ready? Okay. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
No, I am not. No, I am not.
Can't you see I'm watching? Can't you see I'm watching?
Very nice song, thank you. It, sit, sit. I'm so tired today. I need to sit. Okay, thank you. Big, big, big. I am bigger than you. And by the way, this whiteboard is not that big. Thank you.